Hawk 250 here. A little update on my Honda ST1300. Today I changed out the knock sensors because I was getting a FI error code, but it seemed to solve the problem. But all I had it down, I also did a header wrap on it, which I took videos while I was doing it. But if you look in there, you can see the header wrap. I also installed some fog running lights. I'll show you how those work in a little bit. And I got them where it wired up to the headlights, so when it's on low beam, the yellow fog lights come on. When it's on high beam, white light, which is like a high beam, comes on with the high beams. So let's give a little start up here. Switch here, turns it on. These are really highly visible during the daytime. Oncoming traffic. Then if I put on high beam, those are really bright. I have these on my Kawasaki Vulcan S. I mean, these things really reach out pretty far. I'd also repainted my box to match the bike. Put some reflective tape around here to make it really visible at night. Put some across the back of my saddlebags, and also on the side, so it's really visible. I hadn't had a chance to. I was trying to do it today, but I still got to put my LEDs in here for brake lights and turn signal. Yep, she's really a nice bike. I'll say it's not brand new; it's 20 years old. There's a couple little things here and there. Knock sensor. Well, this one knock sensor was acting up, so I replaced them both while I had it all apart. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.